Now I have a starter demo page pulled up. This is just a very basic page. You can see the code over here. So for the most part, no styles really applied. I do have just really basic styles for, separating the header and the footer and getting the main content area, giving that a max width. But overall, it's really just using browser defaults. And so to show you just immediately the impact of Orchard, when you go to the how to use Orchard page right here, then you can see all of this style reference code. And so you can grab the code. This also includes all of the different palettes. So by default, it includes the foundation palette, but you can replace foundation with any of these other palettes and get the colors that you need. But very basic level, you just go here, copy that, and stick it into your head tag. I'll just paste that in right there. And let me also grab a color palette. So let's say I want to do the Simple State House palette. So I'll grab this. And that goes in right there. All right. So here's the basic page. I've not yet saved my update. And now I'll save. And there you go. You can see it immediately brings in those updated styles. Now, of course, there's some more tweaking that can be done here. So for example, this right here, let me find that line. Your identity system. So that's a block quote. And it's not currently getting the block quote style that I want. So now I can go in here. We have that organized under callout. And I can choose between the standard callout, which just gives it large text and some indent and a border on the left side, or I can go with the quote callout. Let's use this one. So since I already have this on my page, let me see. So probably the best way to do it at this point would be to grab the class that I see. So I selected that and copy, and I'll paste that in here. And then I see that there is a paragraph tag inside of it. So I just want to make sure that I get everything I need with this. Put that around there. All right, let's go back here and I'll save my update. All right. So now we've got the block quote style. And then let's say also we have this get started link here, and it has a basic style applied. But I do want, let's say, for that to stand out a little bit more. So I'll go to the link component, take a look through the different options that we have here. Don't need it over a dark background. Here's a button style. That might be a good way to get us some more attention on that link. So this is the link right here. And this time, let's see. So the code here is a little bit more complex. So rather than just copying and pasting a class, let's actually go in and customize what this code is and then grab that customized code. All right, so button label, I want it to say get started. You can see that updates my demo right here, and it updates my HTML code where it's going to point. So here is the URL for that. You can see again that updated up here. I don't want this to open in a new tab, and it shouldn't need an ARIA label. So now I've got my updated code. I will copy that. Just go back over to the demo so you can see this happen. And then I will fully replace my existing A tag with that updated code. And let's go ahead and save that. There we go. I got the button code. So that is a great way to go through and kind of piece by piece update an existing site. So you'll immediately get all of the text styles and colors, and you'll get access to using all of the classes and code as it's provided within the different components in Orchard.